Each element of the interior of this mixed-use lobby space contributes to a cohesive design. The distinctive Palladiana Terrazzo installation complements the glass storefronts and brick walls, evoking the space framing effect of a series of area rugs without the maintenance of carpet. Creatively elevating the space, marble inserts are placed in an 800 square foot grid, soldier style, and mounted in a monochromatic charcoal-pigmented terrazzo backdrop. The terrazzo craftsmen devised their own jig to cut marble tiles to size, from which the designer hand-selected the 12,889 marble inserts for the floor. Each 3 by 5 inch insert was individually set by hand without mesh. Maintaining precise 3/4 inch and 1 1/8 inch spacing of the marble inserts was a time-consuming challenge. The Palladiana section was installed in 4 weeks. NTMA judges appreciated the continuation of both the Palladiana pattern under the steps and the divider strip pattern throughout the rest of the floor. The job was a total of 6,600 square feet. It was fine ground with 200 grit diamonds and concluded with 2 coats of sealer to achieve the specified matte finish. For this impressive, gorgeous work at 800 Fulton Market in Chicago, a very well done goes to Menconi Terrazzo of Bensonville, Illinois.